gingerbread men in hot cocoa hot tubs. Hey Rachel, I'm Lindsay Caton and I'm known as Lindsay Baked This on TikTok and Instagram. Today we're getting into the holiday spirit and decorating some Christmas cupcakes. We're gonna start off with these adorable gingerbread men in hot cocoa hot tubs. First, let's make some cupcakes. To make this super easy for everyone at home, I'm just using my favorite boxed mix. Let's make the American buttercream that we'll use for the decorating. Make sure your cupcakes are fully cooled before you start decorating. First, we're gonna make our gingerbread people. We're using these mini cookie cutters that are in the shapes of gingerbread men. We're gonna melt the candy melting chips for about 1 minute in the microwave until they're nice and smooth. This is my favorite hack for getting candy melts into a piping bag. Grab a tall drinking glass and just cup the piping bag right over the drinking glass. Then you can pour your melting chips right in. Now we just fill in the cookie cutter shapes with a shallow layer of melting chips. Once they're all filled, place them flat in the freezer to set. Let's get our frosting colors ready. I'm gonna use a brown gel food coloring for the hot cocoa part, and then a red for the outer border of the hot tub. Now let's decorate. First, we're gonna use a palette knife to smooth some brown frosting onto the center of the cupcake. Then we'll grab our red buttercream and slowly pipe a circular border around the outside. Now let's take our gingerbread friends out of the freezer. They should pop out fairly easily. We're gonna melt the white melting wafers now and give them little faces and buttons and wavy decorations on their arms. We're gonna chop off the bottom half of the gingerbread man and then place him right into the hot tub, sort of leaning casually on the side. And then finish with a few tiny hot cocoa marshmallows. He's so cute!